The Bobo U4Ts are some of the best tactile switches that you can buy right now. They have a strong and round tactile bump that's similar to Glorious Panda switches, there's barely any stem wobble, and you don't even need to lube or film them. They're a great stock switch, and they will only cost you about 60 cents a switch. If you prefer a light tactile switch like Browns or Ergo Clears, then these are not for you. However, if you like a strong tactile switch, then these Bobo U4Ts are my top choice for you. Let's end this video with a sound test on a Mode 80 without the middle gasket.